Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. In today's video, we are going to be having our beginner's eye tutorial 101 part 2. In the previous part, we spoke about the brushes that you will need as a beginner for any makeup look, and in today's episode we're going to be talking about the products that you will need. If that's the content you would like to see, please stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel down below, okay? And let's get over into the video. So guys, welcome back. I hope you guys have gotten your brushes. This is the part 2 of our beginner's eye tutorial 101. In today's video we are going to be discussing the products. So I have with me about 7 products here that you are going to be needing for any eye look as a beginner in makeup. Now you might think that these products are really like too much. You have brushes, you have products, but some of these products are going to last you for months, you know, some even up to a year. And then you want your output, whatever you come up with, to look professional, to look well blended, to look beautiful, and to look like something that was done by a pro, not by an amateur. Okay, so these are products that you need. These are products that are very, very essential, I think, and I'm going to be listing them right now. The first product you're going to need as a newbie is an eyeshadow palette. Okay, now guys, I purposely chose this Zaron Earth eyeshadow palette because it's a nude eyeshadow palette. You need a palette that has both mattes, these are the matte colors right here, and shimmers. This is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. It has 5 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. Now these matte shades are varying degrees, so I think if you're light skin, if you're dark skin, you'll be able to use this palette or a palette like this. It must not necessarily be the Zaron palette. The other palettes, Luban Beauty has a palette that looks like this. Sorry, Juvia's Place has a palette that looks like this, and it's really budget friendly. Okay, so you need a color palette, an eyeshadow palette that has matte and shimmery shades. Better yet, at this point I don't think you should really be playing with color, so you need nude colors, you know, easy colors that you can blend easily, natural neutral colors that makes you look natural and neutral as you start dipping your faith into makeup artistry. And then over time you can start delving into like more colorful looks like the greens, the blues, the purples and all of that. So you need a palette like this. Okay, the next item you are going to need is a brow pencil and a gel liner. Okay, now these two items are extremely important because the eyebrows are like the frame for the face, and if your eyebrows are like all wrong and warped, then your look is not going to look like as put together as that of a professional. Okay, so you need sculpted eyebrows. You're gonna need two products. This is Jevis eye pencil. I'm dark skin, so I use the shade 003. This pencil is like 100 naira if you're in Nigeria, 150 naira. Very, very, very cheap. We also have the Hair and Esther brow gel. I have 2 shades. I have this is in the shade Nubia. I also have another shade in Ebony. I mix the shades at times. At times I use only this shade, but as a beginner you just need one of this. You just need this shade, and then or the lighter shade. They also have a shade in Toffee which is lighter than this, and your brow pencil. If you can't get the brow gel, if it's like out of your budget, you can stick to your brow pencil, and I promise you you're going to get the same result. It might not be as long lasting as, you know, that's a brow done using a brow gel, but you are still going to get a well sculpted professional looking brow. Okay, now the next product you're going to need is mascara. At this point, as a beginner, I really do not think you are going to be fixing lashes, though it's very important for like the final look. But this Zaron lengthening mascara gives you that false lash effect, not with as much boom as the original false lash, like the look it gives, the lash effect, but it does go a long way. So you can get you a mascara that you're going to be using as a beginner. When you're done with your look, you apply your mascara and it gives you that lash effect, okay, to a particular degree. All right, so you need a mascara. You need a liquid liner like this. This one here is the Iwaronke eyeliner blackout. This is a Nigerian owned brand. It has a pen tip, felt tip. It's not very big, it's just okay, it's not too small, it's not too big. You need something like this for a perfectly winged eyeliner. If you think you cannot work with this, there are also other ones. You have the liquid liners that come in pots, and then you just dip into it and bring it out and apply. You also have the gel liners. Hegen Isa has one, the Oinks black gel liner. But with that, you're gonna need an additional brush. Though I think their gel liners normally come with brushes, so you can actually as well use those. But personally, I think this would be easier for a newbie to get their wing liner on. Okay, so you need a pen liner like this. You need a black eyeliner. The one I have here is the House of Tara retractable pencil in black. It looks like this. Oh, mine is bent. It looks like this. You know, you need it to apply in your waterline to smoke out your top lash line, to make your lashes look fuller. When we get into the tutorial proper, you'll see the use of a pencil liner like this. This is another very, very important product that you need in your product kit. Okay, now the final product that we need, or that you would need rather, be a concealer. Now you don't necessarily have to get this. This is the Nuban Beauty In My Skin concealer in the shade 046. Now there are other brands. LA Girl Pro Conceal has, like, you know, it's like readily available. It's a bit on the cheaper side. You can get it. Look for a shade that is about 2 shades lighter than your skin tone and get you one of that. And we're going to be using this to sculpt out underneath our brow bone. We are going to be using this to serve as more like an eyeshadow primer, okay? Because if I tell you to go ahead and get an eyeshadow primer, though if you want to, please do. Some of you might find that like too much, but with a concealer I think you can achieve the same effect. A good concealer, mind you, do not get like those very cheap concealers. They might crease and crack and all of that, but a good concealer like this, or the LA Girl Pro Conceal, that has been working for me, you can also get that. Okay, we're going to be using that, like I said earlier, to clean up underneath our brows and also to act as an eyeshadow primer for our lids, to cut our crease and any other thing that we will be doing when we delve into beginners makeup tutorial proper. Okay, now if you have an eyeshadow primer, all well and good, that is even better for us. We'll just keep that handy, and then when the time comes to use that, it's not a waste, guys. It's really not a waste. If you have an eyeshadow primer, please don't toss it off. You can keep that, you know, alongside your product in your small kit, pending when the eyeshadow tutorial proper starts. Okay, so we are done with the products, we are done with the tools. I think our very next video is going to be on the parts of the eye. You know, we're going to be dividing the eye into sections so that you know the various parts and what goes where, so that when we start the tutorial proper and I tell you this goes in your crease, this goes in your transition area, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, then the video after that, we're going to start with the eyebrow and then proceed from there. Okay, so just stay tuned, guys. It's a gradual process. Like, we just take it one step at a time, and before you know, you have everything and you're up to speed. Okay, all right, so I'm going to give you guys time now to get your products, and then please, guys, I really appreciate it if you like comment down below. I have my products, you know, waiting for the next video. Where are we going from here? Where are we heading from here? Like, I have my products, I have my brushes, like I'm ready shoot on, I'll really be so happy. So guys, this is the end of our video. I hope you were able to learn a thing or two. I hope this is not like really overwhelming for you, and I hope you take out the time to get your products and your tools, and I'll see you in our very next video. Okay, bye guys.